Life isn't fair. Life just is. It's not fair that birds eat worms, and they do. You're going to have people to do things to you. Things are going to happen to you. And the most important thing to do is to harness your will and let it go. I don't care how good you are. I don't care how talented you are. I don't care how much you work on yourself. There are some times when things aren't going to go right. They just are not going to go right. Continue to do those things that you know that work for you after you have evaluated yourself in the situation. Find somebody that you can help so you can forget about you for a moment. See, sometimes the best thing to do is to be. Sometimes you have to just back up and go within yourself. A bow and arrow, you just can't push the arrow out. You have to pull it back and then release it. Sometimes you have to back up and go within and pray and meditate and recharge your batteries. Go away, clear your head, and then come back and look at it from a different vantage point. You've got to activate the thinker in you. Don't allow your emotions to control you. We are emotional, but you want to begin to discipline your emotion. If you don't discipline and contain your emotions, they will use you. You know, weeds don't have to have any encouragement to grow. You don't have to water them. They don't have to get sunshine. They will grow through the cracks of a sidewalk. But if you want to grow orchids or roses or any kind of exotic flowers, there are special processes and procedures you must go through.
Confidence comes from selfishness of what greatness really is. You want to know what greatness is? Greatness is lonely. It ain't too many people that talk of greatness, because greatness hurts. And it's one of the scariest things you will ever do, because everybody around you gonna tell you it's impossible for you to achieve it. Nobody could see my vision but me and God. Nobody believed in my vision but me and God, because I became selfish for greatness. When God shows you something, believe it, no matter what nobody else thinks. I'm talking about a foundation of selflessness and selfish for what greatness really is, for what real inspiration really is. You want to be remembered in life? Do something that people dare to do, and say it before you think about doing it. That's the way you change a culture. A lot of people are pathfinders. Ain't too many trailblazers. Become a trailblazer. Because when you become a trailblazer, man, nothing determines what you will chase. If you're getting up every day and your value is based on likes and followers, you've already lost. You don't have a chance. If you ain't self-driven to get yourself up every day, when my feet hit the ground, the devil know he got a problem to deal with. The brink of the day comes up, and the first thing you touch is your phone. If the first thing you touch is your phone, who did you just give power to? You just gave it all away. If your mind starts to indulge in everybody else's social media and everybody else's world, you've already given your power away for the day.
When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, you probably only got a minute or so. Then you'll be successful.
My new mission is simple. My new mission is to save 1 billion lives. Can you imagine if we change the direction of 1 billion people's thought process? Think about the place that we're living in right now. We all feel it. Temperatures are rising. Hate is so crazy right now. Can you imagine if we teach them how you must balance out mind, body, and spirit? This race ain't about how you start. This race is about how you finish. There's something on every gravestone. There's a beginning date and there's an end date. But in the middle of that, there's a dash. And that passion, your legacy.